Your lesson essential question is, how can we break apart numbers to subtract? So we are still subtracting. You know, when we subtract, we find the difference by taking smaller numbers away from bigger numbers. The strategy that we're working on today is breaking apart numbers. Now, for example, I have the number 6. I know that I can make 6 out of 1 plus 5. I know that I can make 6 out of 2 plus 4. And I also know that I can make 6 out of 3 plus 3. So when I break apart numbers, I make them into smaller numbers, which are easier to take away from my greatest number. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let's say I have the problem 33 minus 6. Now we just talked about how we could break 6 up into 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, different ways. Looking at the number 33, if I'm taking away 6, it's kind of hard to do it in my head. But I know that if I take smaller numbers away, it's a little bit easier. I'm looking at these ways that I can break 6 up, and I notice that if I take 3 away from 33, I can make a 10. Down here I have 3 plus 3 equals 6. So what if I took away 3 first and made a 10? Then it just makes it way easier to take the rest of 6 away. So I'll take away this 3, and I'll make 30. Now I just have to take away 3 more, so I'm left with 30 minus 3, which is way easier than 33 minus 6. So looking over here at my hundreds chart, what I just did was I started with my 33, and I took away 1, 2, 3, and I made a 10. Now I've got to take away 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 27. So again, what I did was I broke apart 6 into smaller numbers to make it easier to subtract mentally.